So I'm just checking in on everybody down south who are getting snow for the first time in what, 50 years in some locations even longer. How y'all doing? Let me know if you want some tips to get through this. I am originally from Massachusetts, and we have had our fair share of big storms, one going back less than 10 years ago, or maybe 10 years ago now, where we got 3 feet of snow in a very short time. And now I currently live in Indiana, and all of our ice and snow just melted from our very severe ice storm that left us without power for days.